What is it that unites such different people? As an online store owner, a production manager, a travel agent, and a well-known celebrity. Right, they all have a website. Every day, a great number of people search for goods and services on the internet. So how to ensure your business has a dominant position among hundreds of competitors? The solution is simple. Search engine optimization is what you need, and our team that cares about every customer. And yes, we have something that will bring your website to a new level. Here are some of the services our company provides. Analytics. We collect all significant information about your business, analyze it, and compare it to your competitors' performance. Content. After a detailed analysis, we start working on the content of your website to improve its matching with the queries. Lead generation. We carefully analyze the features of the customer segments to define your target audience. Coding. We identify the possible system errors of the website and make a correction. UX/UI design. We create high-quality, fresh, and up-to-date designs. One of the most important points is SMM. We carefully build a favorable corporate image, which means your brand has an excellent reputation in social networks. As a result, your or your business's strong social media presence. After all these improvements, you get a website that works better, has higher conversions, and allows you to make a great income. Yes, we are a team of skilled professionals who know the secret of successful promotion. We have an impeccable reputation. You will be surprised by how much free time you can spare while we work. That is because your site will become a true laboratory for obtaining money and success. Do you still have questions? We will be happy to answer them. Contact us